Today we have a 2009 Ford Focus SES with a 2.0. The customer said it's been running rather poorly. They took it in someplace and they told them they need a cylinder head temp sensor. So we're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. This is your 2.0 Ford. Excellent motor. Worked on a lot of these over the years. They go 250 to 500,000 if you take care of them. This is like a 09. They thought it had no compression. I thought it spit out a spark plug or something. But once I looked at it, it's your cylinder head temp sensor, which happens to be under this boot right here. And I already unplugged it. And to unplug it, you just push down on that right there. But when I looked at it closer, you can see the reason it has no compression because this thing is actually snapped right in two. So we got to pull that out. I think it's like a 3/4 or 19 millimeter. Once I checked it out, it is a 3/4. So get an extension, and you got to have a socket that's deep enough to go over that. I think it should be okay with this socket, but if not, you'll have to find a deeper socket. We did pull it out. You had to get a deep socket on it, and then a pair of needle nose. You probably wouldn't need a pair of needle nose, except for, like I said, this one was broke. So to get this piece out, you had to have that. So I'm going to show you what we bought from the Ford dealer. This is actually the one we bought right from the Ford dealer. And the only reason we went right to the Ford dealer is because if you look at the part, it looks totally different than the old one. One's made out like a copper. This one's aluminum. The end of it is different. So we thought we better be safe than sorry and get the correct part to put in there. And now once we get that in there, you're just going to have to snug that up. But we're going to have to, of course, use the extension and the socket to put it in place. This part is aluminum, so we're going to tighten it up but not get crazy with it. And then we're going to plug that in. And we could have got some from Advance or that, but since it looks so different, we wanted to make sure we had the proper part for this. So that's why we went directly to the dealer. Okay, now I'll snug that up. When you clip that down and then put that rubber seal on the top like that, the job's completed. And that's all it takes to replace a cylinder head temp sensor on a 2009 Ford Focus with a 2.0 motor.